Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, money down to the ground. If it's the first time you're watching, please do subscribe. Yeah. I'd like to big up Miss E. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Wonderful help, you know what I mean? You know, I mention her name fully, but just to say Miss E for now, money down to the ground. Yeah, man, it's a wonderful look forward. The new year start good, you know what I mean? So, we encourage more people to step in. Yeah. Big up my next brethren for the contribution too, you know what I mean? Because them think they're gonna make it work faster. You see it with our JAMMIWOOD studio, we are build it. But anyway, no further delay. We have put the right things at the right place, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so the movie is a movie where it's time to do the right thing, you know what I mean? It's what a woman needs, or what a lady needs then, you know what I mean? Let's go.
Come get your cucumber over here, some nice big cucumber here. We have cucumber and lettuce over here. Come here, nice lady. You look nice too. Yeah. Come get your cucumber now.
Cucumber?
Yes, we have cucumber and lettuce.
How much you cucumber them?
The small one of 500 and the big one of 1,000.
5,000. So make them the price is so high.
Girl, we have 3 hot girls and they use the cucumber. And they make a cucumber price go so high.
You use the cucumber for what?
You must know.
Not for drink.
You get 2 or what?
Aye, give me 2 little one them there. They're 1,000 the price there. Normally at 150 me buy cucumber for you know.
Well, the price gone up.
What's happening to that one? Why? $500?
Price gone up, baby.
Why? Alright, ma'am.
Cucumber, cucumber! Cucumber! And lettuce over here. Come and get your cucumber.
Kind of give up on man. About talking, girl, me give up on man right now, no. They put me through too much, girl, too much hurt. I'm like at the time my heart broke into pieces, girl. I don't know how my heart will go back to my pieces then all last. Girl, man, I'm wicked. I thought them look watch there. Everything they say they want. You know, see how one just pass like a tip. So they say that work, girl. Hey, you talking about this to somebody. How you say this to somebody, remember? Oh, and then you go there, listen to one lady and say, cucumber. How much there? A nice size, how much there? Every Friday time. I'm 500 to pay for this, yeah. I'm talking about me for them a year. And the one have some big old one, none they pick holes on it. Big key girl. I like them. I'm looking at them again. Oh man, they look nice. I mean, I'm my size. I like them. Your size? For drink? Like, you know, when you blend juice and something, you want good size. Oh, big of a size. But then the girl, take that wild good on man. She has said that with some. Yeah, just take that watch for this. Yeah, put on them. I want them to come on my size. She have to go one and go two. She got one. Yeah. Girl, everything. Yeah, girl. Thanks, girl. Take care. Bye. Bye. Yeah.
Cucumber lettuce is here. Cucumber. Come in and get a big, nice, sweet cucumber. Good day. You look so wonderful today.
Thank
How are
you.
you
You're not
doing?
looking so bad yourself. I'm great. And how are you?
I'm great as well. What?
Mr. Cucumber, then miss. The cucumber. Jesus Christ, what you doing?
$1,000 for that one. But I can get the other one.
What bigger than this? I like challenge myself for me and make juice for me. What you say?
Can get this one.
What is the feet again?
$1,000
Don't miss
for
my
one.
size or some other one there.
You want one of them? I don't. One of them, you know.
This cucumber, them nice. God no.
$1,000 for one. Am I telling?
What's that for one, miss? How much you price so high?
Yeah, buy the cucumber lady.
Then I must miss and that's why I stop. But why you have some nice size, I don't even know which one to choose.
You know?
Yeah, work. That one like a real. If I'm see that one here, I know so that one here.
$1,000 for that maybe.
You know the 5,000 one. I want a big old
Of
giant
course.
one.
We can get a 5,000 one.
You
We
talk
are
about
talking
one
about
25-inch type something I talk about. No, miss, no give me that look. Then miss, you don't know what I go on. Me I tell
me
you.
get that for you. When you are coming back.
Order. Tomorrow me I come.
Alright, me get cucumber for you. Compare me for me cucumber.
Yes, miss, thank you.
Alright, have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Make sure you know. I'm gonna want it for friends.
Oh, yes.
Alright, so make sure safety go along. Alright, hear me.
This one bed, you know, you can come back and buy this later.
One safety go along and bed.
Alright.
Take care. Thanks.
Same to you, bye. Cucumber!
Come, the door is open, my darling. A long time I don't see you. Come in. What's going on? What's going on? Long time no see.
Oh, God, no, mother, come give me a hug.
There's so much weeks so much. Let's stay with so long from
Yeah, oh, God, no,
Let me know you're busy.
Yeah.
I mean,
Way up to.
One day I'm just eat some food and it's so sweet, so you don't have to drink enough water to wash it out.
No, my mommy get my diabetes.
No, so I have to be careful what we're doing. So how are you?
Oh, my day I give thanks, boy. My day I give thanks. Past on the road, then so I cook about my life. I'm going to bad because I want nice size and I can't carry up then and so.
Be careful, you know what's going on.
What going on,
The farmer, them spray some things from the crop and then people get sick, a bug. Like, you know, with vomiting and diarrhea and stuff like that. So you have to be very careful.
Yeah.
But, and you know, you can't look on it and say it's not in the market. Once the skin look clean, then it's alright. You know, it's good, it's good.
Yeah.
And then you can do it with, as you say, with some ginger.
Yes, mommy, that's why you taught me, yeah?
Right. And, you know, so this is what to clean out your room to because you need if you start doing some grandbaby now. You let me dead and I get no grandpit. I need grandpit now.
Mommy, I can't say that.
Of course.
Yeah, mommy.
Listen, you get hold on
get
every day.
grandpit,
You want
mommy.
grandpit, man.
Yeah, you soon get
All of my
grandpit.
neighbors and my schoolmates they get grandkids and all me I don't want to get a grandkid.
You soon get grandma, get one nice good girl, man.
Yeah,
One God bless me, one nice good girl. They get a nice granddaughter from me. But then here they say I'm going for the news.
Me hear.
Jesus.
But you know, sometimes and everything you hear, you know, you can't believe in it because sometimes false news.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Look, say girl, they not use the cucumber, do nothing, mama. People, them are blend it as usual, you know, blend it and drink it, it's good
Yeah.
for your body. Come on,
Exactly.
start eat healthy and something, mama.
We have to. We have to eat healthy, you know.
Yeah, kind of love the sweets there.
So how your people, how your husband, how is he doing?
God, mama, must me talk to mama, you know, I'm good, must me talk to that the process, man. I must see him break my heart. I must see him, yeah. Members, mama, you know, I'm good at you, always at catch up time. Mama said the wicked boy didn't hurt me, cheat for me, and I see him bed, me and him lay down every day. Mama saying, kind woman, and that hurt me. Until now, I still he funny hurt.
So you kick him to the curb?
Yes, mama, I don't want, no, man, I keep going about him disrespect somebody.
You know, I won't blame you. Give your life to God. God is good. You go to church and baptize, you
Yes,
find out
mama.
your husband.
Yeah, God is send somebody
You send
to me.
somebody good,
Me
you just
go
have
and
to wait.
say, yes, that me and the mommy, because that's what you taught me, and I'm waiting. So go and
Remember, your father was a good man, you know. And
Yes.
the best man God created your father.
So true.
I'm so sorry that thing happened.
God bless
What
him
a-
soul.
May God bless his soul, man. May God bless his soul.
Yes,
He was a good provider. I mean, we have a little talk,
yeah,
you know, but
the true, mommy.
he was a good man.
Very,
good
very,
provider.
very nice. We
We
miss
never
him.
had no problem with husband.
God, no, I don't put up with daddy for sure. Daddy always like, So mommy, I'm gonna go and now one go up the blender cucumber that I really like you want so it tastes like.
Right. And don't forget to put your ginger and your little spice, your cinnamon and your stuff.
Spice it up, mommy. And
Spice it up.
secure yourself and your daughter love you. Give me a
I love you too, my
Sorry,
girl. I wanna
Yes, mama.
Take care. Love you too, sweetie.
Take care. Me call and reach out.
Alright, drive carefully, yeah?
Alright, mommy.
God bless you, honey.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you too.
Mommy.
Oh, that's all like a beautiful princess. Hi, baby.
Hey, what?
I'm sweating on my
I'm busy now. I'm going to the mother.
Cook some fish, man.
What's that? Nice and smell like.
Come on, I'm going to go shop. My mom, I eat anything, you know.
Yeah.
Get up for this mama go work and I feel lunch in the house, so just let me go and bug down something. What's up with you?
No, food smell nice. So me there, man, there. You can't feel like a long time not see.
Your man is a good look while I said, you know, say I work hard and then you do a lot of overtime. Never stand still, you
I'm
know.
not saying it's still, man.
Even though I'm not to see you still.
Yeah, so my company will have to get one cucumber.
Oh, they got the juice in?
Yeah.
See, you want one?
One minute, yeah.
Come on, to the fucking news, all the station them. BBC, the biggest news station, the farmer them spray some things on the crop. And yeah, it can mess up with people's body and stuff like that. So you have to be careful. But let me see, because the one that they were showing on TV got some spots and mark on it. You know, the one that look fresh and nice.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, but you know what to cook with this now? Okay, come on, nice ginger.
Eh?
Come on, get the
Yeah, so you
ginger.
always people told me that's how you talk for real.
Come on, get the ginger and some
I love you, man. I'm tell me the cucumber juice something and try it out to home.
It's good.
But yeah, I like.
Come on, they're very good, man. So, for everything at work.
I'm there, work busy as usual, I know how work come down.
Yeah.
I know you have a person, I just want God to bless me with one nice to come on, you know, so I can't get grandkids and stuff.
So, my guy.
How much that little kid man that will break my heart, how much people will
Finally kicking to the curb.
Straight to the curb.
Straight to the curb.
You have to make space to somebody with God one bless me because I know you are praying for me.
Yeah.
One, too wicked, there's too much things, mommy.
Some people know what they have until they lose it, you know. My grandmother always said that, and it's true. It's a fact.
I look for that in nice thing, my one man to treat me like that in the street.
You said no man like for your father. That's why you me no married again.
No, sir. You know.
My husband got me no want nobody cross that door and nothing supposed to negate. And nobody like you.
I'm not dead, me never seen no man.
Good man, good provider, good everything.
Everything, loving father.
Loving father, loving husband. Your man, your daddy, the good man.
Yes, mommy. So, mommy, may I come back to the night now?
Yeah, man, they can come back
later. But we are off.
Yeah, they let you know so we can carry for lunch tomorrow.
Alright, mommy.
So drive carefully, yeah?
Yeah, I may go up now. Yeah,
It's so nice to see you.
Oh, God, man. Me soon get. God, take the moment. How are you, sir?
I'm waiting.
Alright.
Waiting.
Yes, mommy.
Later, baby.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, from the food on.
I am not. You boy, I make up all this on time. I'm home with the bad man.
If you're going to the car, I never bother putting on the box. It's right there.
Alright.
I hope you enjoy.
Look nice, so you know I'm gonna eat now because it's alright.
Yeah, man. I'm here pray, yeah?
Of course, when you pray at work, like, we come back to tell you to come fast. I'm like, what would you do?
Miracle?
Yeah, nice guy.
Not church?
Yeah, in the church, everything nice. Church guy nice. Nice man, tell the guy feeling really nice. And you see like the murder, so people don't type about everything.
Yeah, the husband side. So, you meet the parents, eh?
No, I'm gonna meet them, but you wanna meet everybody and something, you know, have no kids, nothing. You have a nice job, and you just seem gentleman like a nice mama.
Yes, God provide. You say, God, do your man and say, pray, man. They so fasting work. He's a good God, man. He's good.
Mother prayer, always.
Mother prayer, the best prayer for our children.
Thank you for all our prayers and we pray, mother.
So, you what we do now? When him pass, I mean, you guys have some time, bring him over, let me scrutinize him.
Yeah, mom, because you know you have to school more than still when you really mean your daughter and something. But in team night, you feel like you more want man to me or something, because we have a connection, you know what I mean?
Good, that's good. That's what we want to hear.
The moment we come go away, okay?
Yeah, because
of the 15 and support.
Yeah, but I work tomorrow.
Yeah, no worries, no worries, mommy.
Alright, drive carefully and take care of yourself.
Alright, love you so much and thank you, mama.
You're welcome, darling.
You keep it posted from the guys.
Enjoy the food.
Alright, as usual. Thanks, mommy.
Later, baby.
Hi, good to see you. It's all enough for one. You want a picture? I'm joking, like you don't want none.
What are you doing?
Okay. And yourself?
What's your name?
I'm Chosen.
I'm Troy.
Nice to meet you, Troy. That's a nice name.
Man,
Yeah, blush so. You like me?
Yeah, man, I see you, man, you know. Like, yeah, some of accept some of your drinks and see if you're that kind to me.
I am kind.
Like, you still would want to get to know you more, so I don't know if that's okay.
What do you like about me?
Just like, we're just sexy and...
I am? You look blush. Thank you, though.
But I'm a godly youth, you know, so certain things I'm don't want, so I can't secure.
You are godly?
But if you calm down yourself, bro.
What me do now?
Hmm?
Me do? You go church and them something like? Because you like church, man, you
Something
know?
that we are carrying in front of you, make me come out of church.
No, you have to stay in a church now. You have to stay in a church because if I'm thinking what you're thinking, you definitely have to stay in a church.
Yeah, man, no, you go to church, man, you know. Grew up in a church and things, so.
So are you single, or you're single AF, single and... So you're single?
Single.
I am single. Any kids?
No, not that yet.
Do you work?
Yeah, man, we do all the work 9 to 5, you know.
Okay, I have a job soon.
But I'm new in that area still, I don't come from both here, you know, understand?
From around here.
But that one of my virgin, I wait for him still, you know. So I go have a little service and come back.
Okay, well, we could exchange numbers and see how it goes.
Yeah, man, I can't do that.
So,
Yeah, can't give me a number. Can't put in a number.
but in all honesty, may I tell you the truth before me even finish putting the number? Please make sure you're serious. What do you want? You want us to date with the hopes of getting into a serious relationship?
Yeah, of course, man, I want a
But
serious
marriage,
relationship.
are you interested in getting married?
Sure.
Because
Once
I've
everything
been
good with
through
you.
a lot. Man, do me dirty, do me really,
Well,
really dirty, me get a lot of hurt.
I rang
Can't
one them,
manage
I
no
rang
more.
one them epic man. As I say, me a godly youth. You understand? So, by looking at you, now I know myself already. I know so me and you that be right one.
You seem like a
I
real
know
nice
family
guy,
that
but I
accept
hope
it.
so.
Yeah, man. Just put in a number, we can talk and catch up and finish up things before the job comes in.
As I tell you, man, wicked today. I look at hurt me get, and my heart broken
And
up
that's
so
when I
many
ask you, man.
pieces. I can't manage no more.
We can
please.
use one fat and for everybody.
I'm not going to do that. That is why I'm giving you my number, which this, you know, this is a chance. So please make
Okay.
good use of it.
Alright.
I'm
Nice
like you so
meeting
far.
you.
You seem, area just seems so cool and quiet. Nice to meet you. Take care now.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna pray for you so we can be together.
I hope so. I'll be praying for you too.
Alright.
Mommy, there you are.
Yes. So yeah, because I'm tired now.
Well, God, oh my God, to see you again,
I
man.
just finished cleaning up the place. I'm so relax and meditate. I've been praying for you that you find somebody nice. You did?
Speaking of which, I
Wow.
come here to give you good news, mommy. You just always know things.
This is so nice.
Mommy, meet one nice guy.
Somebody from the church?
Yeah, mommy, you just always know things, so you always want to surprise them.
Pray for you when you get a nice guy and settle down. That one was a cuff. He was a cuff to for you one call. No good.
Very nice. I'm so nice. When the boy cook together and wash me hair and bathe me nice, you might take me out on dates.
Loving.
Mama,
That's what you want. You know, the
every
both of you
time
have
I
an
come from
understanding.
work, Mama, he might come back something for me. If I want mango, I know I love mango. And look at him, know my life. He's
That
just
is
so
nice. That's nice. I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, I'm considerate. Oh, God.
That's good.
I mean, it's
Okay.
yes.
I'm going to find a ring already.
Well, them work 12 months to get things to buy.
More get it.
But me know you have nice taste. Me know get
God do hear and answer prayer. I prove him over and over. So I know once I started to pray and trust and believe in, things will work. And it is going to work.
how much things that I go through and
I know, a lot.
Thank
A
you
lot.
so much for praying.
Yeah, I'm
me.
praying for you,
Thank
man. And when I go to church, I ask the sisters I'm in church to pray for. Help me pray and trust God.
I'm gonna say, guy, I want you meeting one of them there, I'm going to say, nice enough. I'm saying my plan to ask your hand in marriage before you propose to me, actually. Just
If
to
I
show
agree
you.
with it?
Yeah, just to show you
Of
respect
course.
for me. Hey,
course,
nowadays,
sure.
man, not ask them something.
No,
here.
just go ahead and do what they feel like do.
Oh, when he said that is alive, and I really love the happy father, man to man.
Don't
so.
even talk about no good man. He was such a good man, such a good man, such a good man.
You know what
That's why
I like
that's why I couldn't can't marry again because we're not gonna find nobody like your father. Your father was a good provider, as I say. I mean, we have a little misunderstanding, but we'll always sit and talk about it.
Yes, mommy.
You know, and apologize to each other. If I'm wrong, I tell mom sorry and he understand.
Likewise,
Likewise,
forgive and I'm going to bed next time. I promise to that. We'll talk about things before I go to bed. I want to say, guy, nice. I could go on and on about this guy.
That's
I'm
good,
not
that's
to
good.
ask him for nothing.
That's good. So you meet his parents then?
Yeah, we're going to meet him. Mother nice. Mommy love, God, mommy love me and sister,
That's
brother,
nice.
brother. Them.
I say once the mother love you, you're gonna clear. You're not worried about it. Once the mama love you,
I'm
that's
not
it.
so pretty, mommy. Remember how the next mommy that talk to the dirty little mother and the drama and so
And the drama, mama drama.
Pitney. No, I'm nice.
I saw you and you're gonna be first.
Yes, mama, I told you to get me first already. I'm making
I didn't like it.
yes, mama.
Just the same way me tell you how to do it.
Yeah, mama. Hey, I love my cucumber juice.
That's good.
Mama, is it again cucumber juice? I want more and more and more. I
That's
love
good.
the cucumber juice.
You see, once you're a good cooker, you know how to take care of things. You
Yeah.
have his heart.
Yeah, cause my
That
mommy
is hard.
taught me.
That's
well,
right.
too.
That's right.
So big up to you, mama. That's why
Yeah.
I'm here.
That's right.
Yes, mama. I just come get the updates. You know,
Okay,
do some
so-
good things.
Whenever you want him to meet, just let me know. Just give me a heads up because I don't know if I'm gonna have no time this week. I'm working 7 days straight because you know the holiday coming up.
Don't worry yourself, my mother. You're
For work.
supposed to work. I know me know why you work for nobody.
I know, but we can't settle, you know what I mean? We're not finished pay for the house, and your daddy, him, you know, gone.
Yeah,
So
no, I understand, mommy. Things don't get better, my
It's gonna
mother.
get better.
Your daughter work hard. I'm gonna tell you, so this guy really nice. You're gonna like him. He's hardworking just like me, and we'll come together. We can make a lot of things happen.
Yes.
Nothing.
Yes. Just build together.
Yes. Oh,
Alright,
God,
babe,
we
so
love you,
thank you for the good news.
Yes, take care of yourself,
Yeah,
mommy.
man.
Yeah, man, love you so much.
I love you too, my darling. Take care.
Thank you,
Alright.
mommy. Later.
That's a blessing.
Yes, oh God, no, I'm
Come
so
on, that's-
nice. No, you're gonna love him.
That's a blessing.
Me soon make him meet him, mommy. Later, here, me call him and reach up.
Alright, drive carefully, honey.
Alright, mommy.
Okay, later.
Later.
Mommy. Yeah. Evelyn.
Evening.
Yeah, man, I'm a princess, my child. Come to meet you, you know?
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Chosen.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of nice things about you.
Me too.
I'll let you know I'm gonna catch up and do one or I'll take a walk and go look for one of them.
So
Because
who
them down the road. Yeah, man. I'm gonna talk and catch up, man.
Alright
And get to know more. So.
Alright, you can say so.
Alright, may I come there?
Yeah, man, I take care on the road.
I've heard a lot of nice things about you, ma'am. It's a pleasure meeting you again.
It's a pleasure meeting you. So, have any children?
No, ma'am. But I hope to get with your son in the near future. If it's God's willing.
That would be good, but don't fight towards it, just know.
Yes, ma'am.
So, how long since you meet your son?
We've been talking for a short period of time, a little bit over a year. And as I said, if it's God's will, yes. Me not rush it as you said.
No, because the thing is this, although he's my son, you don't know man and what it's better if you get to know the person
Yes, ma'am.
before you go that far.
That is so true.
Understand me?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
because plenty people, them show you one side at the beginning of
And
the
then there's the
relationship.
next side.
But as time goes on, they get to find out the true
Person
person.
and true colors. Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
And sometimes, as you see the person move certain way, and you say, is a nice person. So you feel like, say, well, yes, it's a nice person. And then act certain way, say, well, he's a good man. You understand?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then you feel like, all right, then, yes, he's a good man, so he'll be a good father.
Yes, that's
And
ma'am.
it don't work out the way there.
That is so true. But so far, your son has been really, really great to me. He has played the role of a real man, and it seems like in the future, there's a possibility that he could be a good dad. I just said to me and live with me are
It's
two
two
different
different
things,
things,
but
yes,
so far, I can say you raised him right.
Yes.
You did a great job, and even though things is still fresh, I still want to take the time out to say thank you for doing such a great job in raising him, so I can meet a nice man like that to have as my boyfriend.
Well,
Thank you, ma'am.
I'm glad that I raised him that way, and I'm glad that you see him as that person.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do really, really great because we're doing great already. So I think it's gonna get better. We're working towards that.
Well, so since as my son gone down on the road,
Well,
and if you want, you can spend some more time.
I would love that. I really
Yeah.
appreciate that to get to know you some
Right,
more.
and you know, we can talk and, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
get to meet
Okay.
people more each other.
Sounds like a good idea.
Okay.
Oh.
So, who will it?
It was such a nice hang with you, mama.
I enjoyed a couple of minutes with
Me
you together.
too.
So, you know,
We can't wait to come back.
Like, you know,
yes, I would like to see you come
She's
back.
such a nice lady. It's such a pleasure meeting your mom.
Yes, okay.
I hope
so if they're going on, man.
I'm go and catch up. May I wait for you, babe?
Yeah.
So, yeah, you know, decide your mind to stop and to cover them and drink some natural juice.
You know, say one of them just drink and then say me I buy one water set time too.
So, how many of us we not drink?
No man,
See
I
you-
me drink first and then me buy this and the water and the yogurt.
Yeah, but me see when you drink the but next when you drink the natural juice. You have to make me see you drink the natural juice too, because me feel like say you not drink the natural juice. So you know what happened?
From a little bit me just get addicted to it again.
So here what now? We have to go make some natural juice here. That me see you when you are drinking. So it's a bit then no good to you. Right?
Alright, me try.
Yeah man, just try your best and just put on 5 and keep me. By the way, I like your girlfriend.
Yeah man, she's nice man, she have a vibe, you know.
Yes.
It's a good match between me and her.
Yes, and you talk to her, and you talk to her like a daughter, and you talk to you as my son. You understand? Not do anything to hurt her feelings.
No, so I don't hurt her feelings. No, do that man. I love her, no, do that man.
Okay, then.
So all I want to pray for married her, you know, about this, I take time.
Just take time.
Yeah,
Just
man.
take time. Just do not rush into anything. You understand? Because just the period of time when you and I meet together, just try and, you know?
Yeah man, we are going to build certain things first
Right,
before we go
right,
there.
right.
I'm just show you the level we don't
Yes, we
want to
see
take
the
it.
level we want to
Yeah,
take
man.
it. That's why I tell you, so just, you know?
And a friend I like her that good with me too.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, go back up, so.
You're going to go
Me
back
call
on the
you.
road.
Yeah, man.
All right, man. And take care on. Right?
Alright, yeah man, later.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Yes.
How you do?
But then we just have a super small area. We work too hard to them and we can guess. Look up later and never eat anything all day. Yeah, me pick up this nasty habit and not eat, man. That's not good. You know what I mean?
No, mommy, that not good. You have to take it easy for yourself and eat healthy.
You just sit on your chill.
Yeah.
So what's going on?
Yeah, go and hold them.
Also, we have a real white tequila and stuff. Juice, mama.
Yes,
juice.
me just remember.
Juice.
Alright, there's a container in the fridge you can pour some and put in a little container and carry. You can't get a light, you know.
Alright, mama.
No.
Can juice nice, you know?
No, I mean I help a lot of people and it's working.
May I come and may I give babe some? May I come, mommy?
It's a work.
Yeah,
Yes, man, it's a work,
Man,
man.
as long as some mama, you have to make sure it's on the rise if you get something to eat, you understand?
Yes, definitely. Definitely. But now treat myself good and that's not good.
No, you have to take care of yourself, mommy. I love my mother now, I love my daughter.
It tastes good now.
Tastes nice.
Yeah,
I love
man,
it,
nice,
love babe.
man.
This is
Nice,
nice. My
man.
mother always make nice
I
food.
put my foot in it.
Oh, man, can remember it now. You can't just go on one
No, I'm gonna try do some tomorrow.
Some people come for some then.
Yeah,
Make one bucket put out for me.
definitely so.
Yeah, man, no, thanks, man. Right.
Yeah, man, it's nice seeing you again, man. And we take care of each other. You take care of her and she take care of you.
Of course, mommy. I know I'm not always going to stay out my project. I love it so much.
Of
Take care of
course,
yourself.
of
Here.
course, you have to. That's your
Yeah.
duty, girl.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
I'm not going to take care of you.
nice son-in-law.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Alright.
Hopefully, in the future, we can
Yeah,
give
man.
a
Yeah,
nice
Peace and love,
grandbaby.
yeah?
Alright, thanks again, P.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Not a problem.
Alright, mama.
Later, babe.
Love you, mama.
I love you too, sweet. And you guys drive careful. Get home safe.
Alright, we will later.
Later.
Mommy.
Come, Bobo.
It's not like food in your mouth, so.
Yeah, me just want to eat. The belly full, man. At the time hot tea, man. Jesus, man, tell you, come like about 91 degrees today. So, how things?
I'm going to mother straight. Me there, give thanks as usual.
So, how is the new?
Mom, you know you ever have things to tell you. The man really nice. I was picture, you know.
A good man.
We have 1 year now and him all what. Mommy all what. He want to propose to me.
Yeah, so you accept?
No, him not propose yet. My work on to buy the ring or something.
Okay, so you guys go and look on it and you pick out and see what you like?
He want to surprise me. Kind of know my taste and he know me like. He know me buy stuff for me and perfume and stuff. So he know me like. But he say he want to ask you first.
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
So
respect,
I give him my blessing, of course. You speak very highly about him, so that means he's a good person.
I'm getting nice. I've
I
never
don't think
been
you would
so
like to,
happy
eh?
in my entire life, mommy. You know it. So.
Mr. God, good man. Put on some prayer. And then I ask the pastor and his wife and some of the members to pray. That you know God send you somebody good and you'll be happy. Because the last one, it really hurt your heart and break your heart in so many pieces. I never know it would have come back to.
And you alone, I'm going to go through my mother. You alone, no. Why did wicked to me for so long?
Lie.
And I see him better made him sleep and I care about
Disgusting, man. Me never know say I would have done something like that because first when I met him, he seemed like such a nice, decent person. You know what I mean? This is a looks is deceiving.
Little devil.
Yeah.
But mommy, I have great news.
What happened? You pregnant?
Mommy just always a smiling phone. You know everything.
That's nice. Wonderful. I hope somebody girl.
Look at the one girl. Come on, Alice got one granddaughter.
Yes, man. It'll work, man. Good. That's good.
I feel like she look like a you, don't you? I feel like she look like a you.
Well, with genes strong, you know.
Bad.
Yeah, cause when they say mommy side of people, your grandmother, you can't tell say you know them are the Dixon.
Yes.
Yeah, them genes very strong. So.
You have to do all that, mommy. But mommy, I know me have sister and something, and the doctor always say that I look a bit harder for me get pregnant. And look how God bless me. Me never know I'm pregnant, you know.
Oh God.
Come sick. I'm not know me. So me I call her tell her say I'm sick or something. I know so I'm pregnant, mommy.
Oh God, man.
Thank you for all
My
the
God,
prayers.
and him work,
Thank you, God.
and him hear and him answer prayer. It may not come right away, but
God
he will
is
come.
always on
Yes,
time.
man, it's a hand time God. Exactly, it's a hand time
I'm
God.
happy, man.
Yeah, man, I'm happy too.
Pregnant.
Yeah, I'm happy for you, man.
I'm happy, mommy.
I'm happy. It's a blessing. Children is blessing, you know.
Yeah, but I'm not to bless now. Because you just there by yourself, so me work too much and I have no time.
Oh my God, and if somebody make you run off another house, chase another house and carry, got a park or play and stuff like that.
I care about church and something.
Thank God me live to see it, because remember me tell you about my friend Juliet Hyatt, she never lived to see it. She died so young, you know. So I mean are the same age, you know. We're schoolmates,
Good people
so
them a die. Good people them, mommy.
thank God for that. It's a blessing.
I'm happy.
This is a happy.
Oh,
Big old smirk on your face.
Mommy, me say boy nice, he nice. Until cook for me, wash my clothes, and you know me stay ready. Like any little thing when I do for him, wash for him, cook for him, buy something nice, see me do the same thing.
So give
for me.
thanks to God, man. Give thanks.
Yeah, I was saying up in our account for you, baby. Yes, mommy, we have.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So anything you get for you, say throw it in there and don't touch it. And watch and see how it accumulates, you know.
Mommy don't always happen.
Yeah, man. So you drive?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
May I come get ready? May I take a look at 5 and then you know me to go work this, so.
Oh yeah, work tonight.
Yeah, you're good.
Your money talk one man. You too, take care.
Love you so much. Take care, mommy.
Me too, my princess.
Take care later.
It's a blessing having you.
Alright, oh, you're grande.
You're a good girl.
Alright, love you, mommy.
Later, honey.
Alright.
Son.
Yeah, man, come inside.
Alright.
Good
Good evening.
Come in, man.
Good afternoon, how are you doing? It's nice to see you. I'm good.
Yeah, good, mommy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, the past show.
We passed through, so I say then since we passed through, me just make a stop.
You know what's up to tell you the truth. I'm glad you come over here. I say I come get a check still and surprise you with something. I remember me did your call, but seeing you, I think it much better.
So if that mean to say, I know something you're gonna give me. Because if you're not gonna call me, that mean to say something you're not gonna tell
Yeah,
me.
man, something you have to tell you, man.
Oh, they go for something good.
Yeah, man, something good, man. Well, excellent.
Well, excellent.
Yeah, man.
I wonder what
Alright.
that could be.
So, you know, me really love her and everything. And me I look, we have her said we in our future. But me just want you to know, say, you have a grandchild on the way.
Yeah. Well, we're glad for you, know.
Thank you.
But as we did tell you already,
Yes, it's really weird.
say full of the weird,
Sorry.
but you can't fly in a God face.
Yeah, man.
And God do everything for a reason.
Yes, ma'am.
And it's a blessing. Cause so we're glad for you, know.
Yes,
Yeah.
You know, say, you know, glad mommy all you said. But it will take time
Yes.
still, but you know.
Family is family.
Yeah, man.
You know, say grandmother always will be telling you, no get none. But when they come, what we are going to do? We have to love it because we can't send it back.
True.
So we have to just accept it. Yeah.
So baby can come be a one goal spoon.
Right, you understand. So, I'm glad for you, know.
Yeah,
We're
man.
happy, man. We're really happy.
Yeah, so how you feel?
I feel alright so far. I have a little vomiting and a little nausea here and there, but I tried my first trimester. But yeah, man, I feel alright and thank you so much.
Okay.
You know you're gonna do that for me and something.
I
You
want
always
that
care
for you.
about me. Yeah, and then come with me and I'm for my checkups and stuff.
Right.
Yeah, man. Me a
Look here,
participate.
anytime you have any craving, you're just
ma'am.
making me get everything where you want.
If Mr. Mahir don't hat me and him that.
Making run to you. Yes, I got. Make you know,
Yeah, they right,
make you
man.
know,
Yeah, they right,
make
man.
you know what a parent got you.
Yeah.
Yeah, they right,
Right.
man.
Yes,
And thanks again for blessing him such a nice son.
yes. Well, me proud of him, man. Me proud of him, man. You know, say, well, yes, you see something good in him.
In good,
Yeah.
You did a great job.
Yes, thank you very much. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So.
So yeah, alright, otherwise go home.
Yes, me good, you know. As me say, just pass me and pass through, and me say, alright then.
Yeah.
It's not gonna look proper for me just pass.
Let's
So,
go we and look at one
you know,
check.
so
Yeah,
me
man,
say,
I'm
alright,
glad
me
to
go
see
go
you.
little one check and see you. Alright. So,
Yeah.
me glad for you, did
That's
you?
some coconut I'm for pick and carry come for you too, you know, so
Look here.
I go carry come here, man.
Look
Yes.
here.
And then you have them, I'ma get from
When
country and
you
tell
tell
she
me
give
about
her.
the coconut.
I should be busy, mommy. I should be busy, man. They make you get them, man.
Busy and make baby. And that you busy with. That
They
you.
make you get them, man.
Alright. Me look out for you, you know.
They make you get before your weekend.
May I remind him, Mama?
Yes, remind him about it. Yeah.
I will.
Yes, so we go up, go with me and go on.
Alright, man. Watch your road there.
Yeah, man, I want to take care.
Alright,
Alright.
take care and I'll send you a little surprise when I'm come here.
Okay, alright.
Take care, Mama.
Alright.
And thanks for coming.
Yeah, man, you're welcome there.
Alright, bye bye now. Alright.
Where's the way I go do now?
Oh, no, go up and roll and get something to eat. Alright.
I feel you put on that man, yeah.
No,
You know, not feel.
you can't stir there with my face up, so you fix your blood, understand?
I saw a hot and tan. I can't manage, you know. Anyway,
That's a matter of hot.
a lady called me say you want me to do some plumbing, you know? So, yeah, I want to do some plumbing now.
You pay you?
Yeah, man. But some plumbing for your life, I never pay me. Yeah, if nobody have paid me.
That's different.
Yeah, but boy, do bad tag on it. Me not get dollar. Oh.
But that's different. Jeez. It make it look like, say, if you pay you for work for me, and you're supposed to pay me for work for me.
So, anyway, I'm going to see if she deal it. Come out of the work and come back.
You have a tools then?
If I not, I can make you go. Go look at shopping for yourself. Yeah, man, I have told them out inside in the tool pan. Grab two of them, because plumbing the show and I have to grab four of them on the low survey route. You understand? Mostly. So you good though? Alright, take it up early and the first thing you do, you're going to do. That's what you're going to do. First thing you're going to do, I fix up here. You have to come breakfast to me. Anyway,
You're gonna work, you want breakfast to do. When you come back and get breakfast.
I'm going to see what I'm dealing.
So this is the problem when we are talking about now, the wastewater.
Oh.
Yeah, come from
Oh.
so, and then the run come down
Yeah.
and then come right to center the
Oh, you want to come from the sock? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, because I mess up the bad for you.
Exactly. So
I
you know
see.
that's a really mess up and not look too good, you know what I mean?
Alright, so.
So if you come down, come and sit down and then go down in the pit right there. So and then also too in the kitchen, under the sink it a leak bad. I don't know what's going on, so we can't even do dishes as often as possible because it a leak and then it's gonna mess up the flooring, and there's a brand new flooring the guy just put in for me. So
Alright.
these are the little problem I have.
Alright, so I'm telling you now. On the side you know, go over one elbow. And burn it down. Go on one elbow
Yeah.
plus one tea. And a tea, I mean cup of tea, you know.
No, me understand.
You-
Me understand what you say, man.
Yeah, man. So one tea, carry it down, and then maybe one more elbow, swing it also. Yeah, man. So
Oh, so the elbow will bring the pressure will come through the elbow and then it go right down
right
in here.
down here, so.
Okay.
So you want 2 length of pipe, 2 length of wastewater pipe. You cover that there.
Okay.
It look like your bathroom so here so to one fix. You see Papa off here?
The man will do a good work.
You have to go pull out that, me alright. So we can't deal that part of here today,
So which part? Which was
but we can't deal the rest of the part then. Everything else can deal it.
okay, especially
Alright.
the kitchen.
The kitchen, man, come in the kitchen, come so I go. Go show me in the kitchen.
Alright, come.
So I go on in there.
Because me just find out about you know, me never. So this is a main problem. Now. This is a major problem. It's right here. And here is leaking real bad.
Alright.
Yeah, see me if you put a pot under there.
Oh.
Yeah, and as you can see, a new things we just put on the floor. I don't want this to go mess up because that's money again.
Oh, see Parental leak from man. So you want a treading here.
Okay.
Only way to that and is must put the treading. Right?
So what, the treading wear out or what?
No, so my time when I buy the new things them, if you buy a treading team, I can't see fire and no treading team and just do that. You know what I mean?
Okay.
A carrot, me enough carrot, you know. We can't talk because
Yeah, eyes good.
Eyes them good. One thing now, about a woman I had, I want to get her pregnant, but you know what? What could fill up the sperm count?
You have to get some oysters and what I think they were going in the water name again. Sometimes the brain will work.
Irish mash.
Yes, there you go.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
somebody
Linseed and all them something they're good.
no,
man.
somebody tell me say, them they good, but them say the real thing we put the sperm in your back is cucumber juice, because them say the cucumber, there's a something like cucumber, right? When you take the white part of the cucumber and the same white part will go in your body
And build it.
and go build it up.
I want the new to never hear about it still, you know.
Then say make him flow. like a cucumber.
I got you.
So, you know how it go.
Try it.
So, we blend them yard now.
Never blender you can borrow, you know.
No, I'm not going to borrow a blender. Because you do a hell that. We go carry the cucumber, them come give you.
I'm a blend
the juice one at a time. I'm not overcharge you. We do the plumbing. But just going to get the juice. Because woman I yard, that's something I don't use.
And you can't afford for your woman tell you that you know sound too right.
Yeah, because a long time I've been trying.
Yeah. Yeah, so you
I've been trying.
So you have to do your thing.
Yeah, so I have to figure it out. So I tried them already. So it look like that when the cucumber juice now see how it go work.
But should bring some ginger to them. Say ginger is good, but with the cucumber itself, I don't know. You know, unless you never tell me. But we know ginger is very good.
Yeah, so I'm going to mark the ginger with the cucumber.
The cucumber.
You blend it, and then you know how you get it. You squeeze it, the juice. I don't know what you do. You just need to drink some of that. Yeah, I'm going to look. Alright, so we go on the cheddar tape, right? Definitely want the cheddar.
So you want to start today?
Yeah, man, not today. I'm do it, man.
Alright, so me give you some money. Go get them.
Yeah, give me some money. I'm going to get them. Just give me some money. I'm just going to go get them right now and come back right now. Guys, it's today. When I start early, work out better.
Them say the earliest burn.
Get the most work. Oh, your daughter though?
She good, you know?
If she good, she good. She good.
She good.
Yeah, man. So,
Everything just dandy shandy, you know?
alright. So, I'm going to run and go deal that. Just give me money.
Alright.
Yeah, go for the money. Come. Time. Mama Joy!
Yeah!
Go on.
Come back here, come. Are you may wait on the cause? Oh, you get all the stuff them?
Yeah, man.
Alright, good. That's good.
Is it too long?
Yeah, man, that's
cut
too
it
long.
to carry.
You never need no more money.
No, the money work out. That's fine.
Yeah.
I'm done.
So that name, and that name, the elbow, the one with do shape like an elbow for true.
Yeah, this one.
That's the elbow?
This is the elbow.
That's the elbow.
This one is a T.
That's
Not
the
a
T.
cup of tea. Me short of one elbow, but we figure it. Let me just use my elbow. That's what I'm going.
You never know. It may work. America may work.
You have to walk. Right? And then I'll send it here, so. Got you there.
Is this a run? It's a really look bad, man.
Yeah, man. I'll go fix it.
Yeah, man, they look bad.
I'll go fix it. Put that. Hey, what? Long sleeve or short sleeve?
Which one better? You tell me. You are the plumber.
But you're fucking long.
Long?
Yeah.
So go ahead, do your thing. As long as it works, that's what kind of.
Right, so I get the elbow, yeah, so.
Okay. Be careful, be careful. You don't need a pencil to mark the spot.
No, you know.
Well, you know what you're doing. You know what you're doing. You're a professional.
You need a pencil. You get it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's see what you're doing.
Collecting on that. You can't take off the Kumara for this year.
Let's have a look.
right now is the measurement between the rainbow. Making sure them the right measurement to the right thing. Then you get piece right there, so okay. You never got to school for this, you know.
So how you learn?
We just learn in the street.
Oh, you watch somebody I do.
Yeah, man.
You catch on.
Catch a tree there.
Wow. But that's good still, you know.
Yeah.
Come on, that's good.
You live and you learn.
You live and you learn. You learn and you live.
Yeah. That's how you.
So on the side you have to put latex.
Not latex.
What name?
Latex they in a condom.
Oh, so the backside is name. No.
This is a tangic.
Oh, tangic.
Tangic, you know. This is now keep it flowing.
Oh.
This is a seal, you know.
That's a seal.
Yeah.
So you keep it together.
Yeah, me keep the camera move again.
Well, just like how nobody not teach you teach me something. I learn from you.
Alright.
That's that.
That is that.
You put a little bit more around it.
Yeah, man, sure say nice and seal.
Good. They come in, no problem.
But they are your teeth, man.
Let me make a sound.
How they look smarty to you.
Well, so they make them money, you know.
Tell them to ramp with me. Another right smarty. Sure. Devil. No, I'm like the man this morning. Alright, so this is what done so. Don't need to go. I got no time to waste.
No time at all.
Yeah. If a woman over here there in a bed.
I want about baby.
Yeah, so.
She want baby.
She look watch her family them. So everybody a breed up.
Why she not get none?
She not breed. She can be the problem too.
You never know.
You never knew. You never know.
But try to cucumber see what happen.
Yeah, I go try.
Oh, if that not work out, the turn off and go see the doctor.
Yeah man, I go try it so.
I see which one have the problem.
It could be me. Right. Look like we are going somewhere, right?
Definitely so.
Yeah man. Yeah, we are going somewhere because he joined them now. Right, so now
But that partner look like you want to push in somewhere it good.
you good man.
You good.
Good luck at goal. This is about yourself.
Your mother.
Go long enough. Wow, something long.
Oh, okay.
Yeah man. Wow, something long enough. So this I can carry it. What dimension? So we carry it. So about yourself. Carry it to the so. You want to go another hole there?
Right in the sun.
Right.
It's a soak away. Why did it start when I took about how did I start already?
Uh-huh.
And I just feel like the heat on.
Yeah, man. You know I had time.
So how them sell this?
You know, so me not do after me price.
No, I mean how it come like three in a stock or
No, it come one.
one piece.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
1.
One.
You know about sell nothing 3.
One make two. Every day you learn something.
Deal on land.
How long this take to try?
Yeah, very quick.
Okay.
Don't take a
All
long
the
time.
business.
Yeah, man, that's how you feel now. When we come back tomorrow morning, because the party are done, I just the elbow.
I'm going
Okay.
right in the soak away.
Right in there. So we have to get the elbow. We get the elbow when you do that.
Alright. Make sure you close up your tantric away one him. You don't want it to get harder. So that's like a glue.
Yes, it's a water glue.
Oh, so it's easy to wash
We
away.
have a water gun. A
Shoot.
water glue.
You don't shoot. Well, I must tell you thanks, man, because boy, I'm there
Yeah, me I
really,
come in the kitchen and now go fix it.
really truly. You not get tired of this problem. I can't find a good plumber.
Yeah.
When you finish, we have water running to the come in here.
Yeah, man, water run to the man.
Alright, that's all.
You ever hear the song, oh, the water running?
That's
Something
a
like
one,
that today.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, water gonna be running today.
Once water come in, then everything, you know, in the kitchen you work and in the bathroom. That's what I want. It's not easy to do without water. It's not easy. So you said tomorrow you come up finish outside.
Yeah, man, tomorrow.
But you still not tell me the damage, you know, altogether, the whole damage.
I won't tell you the damage when the damage is rectified.
Okay. I'm gonna lick me too hard, you know.
No, I'm not doing all the thing, mommy.
Alright, nice. Only kind of money rush on you right now, you know. This house cost me a lot of money to renovate, so the pocket cannot get low.
You see the white stuff? What me have? White something? No, man, there's somewhere else.
No, ain't nothing there. Between your legs. Yeah, come over, come on. Got it. Yeah.
Alright.
But you can't help yourself, so if you're pregnant, you know,
Yeah, man.
you can do your thing.
This never pliers. You know, some
Pliers, but there's no pliers there.
I'm gonna carry come.
Right there.
Gonna left you outside there.
Alright, now go get it.
Alright, get it and come. One green box, sorry, something there. Oh boy, see you?
You know, let's talk there, no?
Hmm?
No.
Oh, see it here, man.
Where? Okay.
You can realize it and see well.
No, sometimes people rough up and don't realize it. Really and truly never eye problem. Is that enough? No understanding. Very insulting and embarrassing.
Yeah, man, see it here.
And rude.
I try to say that.
And the counter?
Yeah, man. It's a good thing I come up.
Yeah, because the good eye never force it to see. Nobody wanna outfit me.
So this how you see it? Why they are you see when you're never snap on it? No problem.
Okay. So that's for the on it.
Yeah, man, you see it.
What that, you know, tighten it. Okay. Make it on it by little.
You will catch on.
Alright.
So that's all that.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now for the next week, I don't know. Alright. Talk about sometime. Alright. We'll catch on ya. You are alone in the house, man.
I mean, one day my husband died, you know.
You try to get one something, you try to get more picnic.
My husband dead, you know. So from my husband dead, you know. Sorry. I saw it go.
It's like good for your wallet for picnic at your old age.
Don't talk as serious because it's very lonesome. But I think the two is good enough. Boy and a girl, that's the pair that's good.
So go on with this now. Yeah. Alright, so.
What one this one?
Yeah, man, I just one more so left for now.
What?
This one left way up on here, so there you go. That's the way up there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then I'm more difficult.
I'm glad to them I got water sit, you know? Yeah, man. Really appreciate that.
The water will be running.
Yeah.
That's the sound of the man
Working on the tree.
Alright.
Yeah.
That is it.
Understand me. But no one go inside.
How much? It's a go. It's a go. There you go. Listen now. I'm going to turn on the pipe outside now. And then we can
Get a test drive. Water there! Oi! Rastaman! Plumber! Mr. Plumber!
Yeah.
Water there, ho! If you work, man, you're gonna sit me down for 10 minutes, you know?
Yeah, man.
10 days, I'm good plumber, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. For real life.
Yes, I work.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so the next thing we have to do is shut the bathroom.
Yeah, man. We test man. Everything I go.
Everything I go. Alright,
Everything I go. Everything I go. Alright. So when I find Mr. Man.
so no more leaking. No more leaking. We don't need no leaking.
I'm taking up a tool and...
Alright, thank you very much. I appreciate it very much. So, whenever you can bring the cucumber and the stuff down into that field.
Yeah, man. So that's the more than 5,000.
Alright, that's not bad.
Yeah, man.
I think that's reasonable. Yeah, man, that's reasonable.
Normally, I think the 20,000 that.
Watch them. So we get a good grade. Yeah, man, blessing, man. Enough blessing here.
Oh boy. I was a little roast. No one does make it done now. You put on your face though.
Sure, every time you come go put on face, put on face.
They are molding now, put on your normal. Every day I put in moldings on different places, they say a birthmark. Some I tend to immigrate fire, some I tend to plant up your nose. And now they're weird. I don't know. This is a gift. Alright, well. It's a good yo. This morning I'm lucky. As I go up on the road, somebody want me some money, I go up on them. And say I get that money. I say, listen me. But you have 2 big stone. Because I tell me say he get 100,000 and he have 20,000 for me. But he went take the 100,000 to do this something when he get the next money go with me. Say, Daddy, you owe me from last year. So if you want to end up in the hospital with a broken and a broke foot, you tell me that story there again. We run across the road with 2 big stone and the crowd come down.
Yeah.
And me I say, listen me.
So why you got excitement for?
No, because I'm going to lick you with a stone them. And then to keep the money. Where you have for me go use to pay Dr. Bill. Because since me not get the money from you, kind things and me and my friend like that saying go try hold on my money. And so the crowd come down and say, pay money. And the boy have money upon him.
I could say no have
He not have it. Then he owe me 20. When he take out 50, me just take 40 out tight and give back 10 and say, Daddy, this have to make way anger we get me this morning. I could drink 10 grand water juice to calm myself back down. Because me really angry. Yeah, man, anyway. You want to go road to shopping. Your piece side. Shop. Don't squander it. Shop some of it And if you have a local bank account, put some anything in it. You not yam me out, you not drink me out, me I give you money, you put on some of it. Food there, drinks there, you not have to buy 10 clothes or 10 this. You buy one clothes that can serve you. You try find clothes that have to go can whip on two sides. Right? So you wear one side this time, yeah? But next time you beat the next side.
Don't worry yourself, we know fish up. We know
Yeah,
get
man.
my clothes them cheap. We can get a $500.
Yeah man, God.
And it still look like see a 20,000 dollars.
No, mama. If you got town, if you
No,
got
no,
downtown, you
yeah.
go down there and buy the $100 blouse them.
No, me have this, me not have to go down there. Me have this friend up there. She just buy them, send, ship them down and me ship up my money.
Alright.
So the money go get.
You know what me I look into? Like how you there and you just move on the place. I go try buy some clothes here and you sell it. It no matter if you want to walk and sell it or you want to sell it. But as long as you sell it, I think you have some money for yourself.
That's all.
I have a big plumbing contract to go on for one of them hotel there. They give me a contract. When I get a piece of money after that, I go give you a piece of money. You call the same friend, you buy clothes in a bulk and you sell it singular. So you buy it bully and sell it like your name, Miss Chin. You're not gonna sell it like your name, Bill Brown. We sell things more expensive. You go sell it like your name, Chung Tang Chong. So when you sell it cheap, that means you can get your profit off at the top and go and buy goods again. You don't want to hold up on everything for sale. Let's go, sell out everything.
That no so bad.
Yeah man, so me out the road and now I go buy 2 pieces of tool.
You want to new road?
Then I buy a piece of tool. No, it's a tool make it work better. Why neighbor can't create impact? What no hungry over there? Even $1,000 I can buy food cars. But I'm put the packet on the rough. Alright, anyway.
You know some people business.
No, but no, I don't like that.
Get up and go give woman $1,000. You're not gonna look disrespectful.
That good enough. Let's go.
Yes, baby.
Oh God.
Hi, girlie.
I want to say hello. Who's that, Nana?
Hi.
Mommy friend.
She never pay me no man. So what you doing or so?
There you are going, girl.
Can I pick the sport?
Yes.
You know, I'm going on walking the street.
So, my long time I don't see you.
Tell me the truth.
You put on weight and a nice hairstyle and so you look good doing man. Bring with
Money
you.
me a pre. Money me a function right now. All me want is some money.
The money is
You understand?
girl.
Yeah.
The body has spend it to make them stop spending it.
Yeah, nah.
You look good.
Someone, as me say, you start going and walk. Because all the girl over there, so I'm supposed to go pick up, you know. But I don't know if your mother got. I see your mother talk about a cucumber, this and cucumber.
Cucumber.
Yeah. I know too.
Girl, the cucumber go. Where cucumber go, girl? Girl, if I did cucumber, if me didn't work with cucumber, I would have this a nice starter, yeah.
Yeah, but she had tell us we go get cucumber and do a one cucumber. I real deal.
Girl, listen,
cucumber
see that, not that it baby, real baby. Where cucumber go? Ain't no tell her, cause she know I got.
Well, sing cucumber can't give nothing to know.
Girl, listen, I get big like wood and get baby. That girl, yeah.
Yeah, they use it, you know.
So you see, I wait for somebody?
Yeah, somebody me there go over there second.
Alright, well, let's grab a few stuff on the road and just, you know, come go up here now.
Alright, so me and you link, girl. Bye.
Alright, girl, and get the real deal. Now come back to your thing. You hear, girlie? You see your
And money me a pre, money.
You see your TikTok. Now come on and work out.
My daughter, my grandbaby, my God, could she get big? Look at people just born the other day. Come here, mommy. Come here, come for grandma. What you bring for me? Look at grandma, I feel look. Wow, you like it? You like it? Look, it's pretty. You know you use a soft finger too?
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, and she come with the same thing as soft finger.
Oh God, she resemble you, mommy?
But no, My jeans strong.
Oh,
man.
God, I see me.
Yeah.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, and she have a look at my mom too. So the jeans is strong because she'll get the weird feed her punch so big.
I love everything, man.
Heavy. You eat up table food?
Yeah.
You start to eat dumpling and banana
Get
and
used
yam.
to grandma. Get used to
And cocoa
grandma.
and breadfruit, eh? Wow. That's what grandma more often.
Yes, we should get used to
She get used to
grandma.
Grandma? Say hi, grandma.
Yeah.
Ah, you give mommy some sugar?
Yes.
Yeah, nice baby. Nice baby.
Yes.
So everything.
Boy, mommy, me day I give thanks. God love me, I give thanks.
I am so happy for you. Me happy for you.
Oh, God, me
Happy
happy
for you, man.
too.
See? I told you God hear and answer prayer. So all them praying I'm put on.
Oh,
And
God,
those fasting, so God work it out.
I'm a little prayer and fasting.
And you look a friend them, they was so jealous. If you follow them, look. See them mess up
No,
yourself?
nice grandbaby, watch God work.
A nice guy.
Oh, mommy, nice, eh? I used to still love his son in love.
Yeah.
And he love him.
You couldn't get better, you know. You couldn't ask her better.
And God said it, don't
And God
do it.
said it.
Oh, God, mommy.
God,
Glad.
weird.
We have fed our grandma for. No, hey,
Oh, shit. She said, no.
Go on to grandma. Don't
You forgot to come on weekend. And then she carry go to church.
Yeah.
And then she get used to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, no, I don't believe you.
I'm all Christian. I'm gonna get
I don't
Christian.
believe you.
Stop it, man. So, mommy, otherwise,
You're going to tell good mommy
you
now.
good for money, mommy?
No, you give us some money. You don't say money, I refuse.
I'm gonna go outside and come back and get
Yes,
it.
Neka?
Yeah. You
Alright.
really want it.
Where I run and go?
Hi, Mama. How are you doing?
But you know, we're not giving it soon. So,
There.
My car can look better.
so you grew big.
Granddaughter.
You grow fast,
Yeah,
huh?
man. You look short at time I see you the other day. Look for you.
Tell grandma hi.
Hi. Why you big like that?
Yeah, name Gina.
You're too shy.
The beach where you come from, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So we come get a little check, you know.
Okay, so we're going to spend full time at the beach and now.
Yeah, man.
Okay, well, that's how you go. I don't know, young people not they enjoy.
Hug up grandma, man. Yeah, hug up grandma. Hug up grandma.
No,
Hug
you
up grandma.
can't find in a room.
Yeah, be grandma. Hug her up.
Yes.
Say, alright, mommy.
Yes, they're good enough. So,
They
you.
go. They give thanks, you know.
I'm glad to see you now for the new year.
Yeah.
So,
I'm gonna pet me about beach, you know, so me have to go with them.
yeah.
Take a look at
You
swim.
know, see a holiday and everybody want a new year. So, we get our wash off.
Yeah, we spend a little family
Time
time.
to get right. That's good. That's good.
You go, mommy?
That's good, man. Coming like hand back from one hand to the other.
So you say, mommy, everything alright with you?
How are you?
They are go and hold them, you know.
Say, come on.
Hi to grandma. Say hi to
So
grandma.
make a little pass show still and everything.
Yeah. We are come for dinner Sunday, no, mommy?
Yes.
Yeah, we are come for
Big glad
dinner
they tell me
Sunday.
from now. Big glad they tell me from now. So
Yeah, boy, you know already, so we have to come to you.
Yes.
yes, we know about you, but
You know we love the
about
cooking.
you. Well, now we know. So we say, all right then.
Your grandma say I come to you. So tell her.
Yeah.
Okay.
Me I come from mine to tell her.
Yeah. You leave one lovely chicken leg for you.
Yes.
Yes, I can leave one chicken leg for you. Right? So
we're gonna go.
Yeah, man, I take your time walk back up, you know.
here and take
Care
it.
yourself, you
Yeah,
know, we love you
man,
as
yeah,
usual. Mwah.
Yes, take
Say
care.
grandma, bye-bye.
We are going to last night.
Yeah. She told you now.
Alright, mom.
Alright.
Just call me if anything.
Yeah, man.
Take care, mama.
Alright. Yeah, man.
All right.
Yeah, come here. Where I run go now? You don't catch a baby?
Yes.
Come here.
Yeah, get out in trouble. Oh, so you don't want to play with me, you only want to play with him? That's not nice. That is not nice.
Hey, come, what up here?
Hey, did you look like this?
The
Like,
way
give me that look there. Yeah, me
you
just
say,
know
mother,
yeah,
give me
come
a
with
say,
something.
you say, your mother give me, you know, I produce this in you see it?
Yeah, it's a nice start of the way, can't complain.
The man is a bad juice, not like it. Would you mind she give me some more right now?
Bricks, shadow bricks.
You know what, you know what, go feed son now?
No, son and shadow bricks. We don't want no more pitney. We have to set some things first and now we have different resources of income coming in.
We have to go feed son now, man. You want one, brother?
No.
Tell mommy say you want brother.
I can't go help you find one day. No. We make nice kids, but no, babe. I can't just. You see the sound of guitar king? She guitar king. No. You get too much talking. Yes, a baby get too much talking. So she ever want to fight me off, she ring.
Come on, me and daddy go take a walk. Come on.
Go with that.
Left mommy, come on, we'll go take a walk. We'll take a walk. Come on, we'll take a walk. Tell mommy later.
So you say want fish or rice and peas?
Yeah, man, I can order.
Alright.
Tell mommy later, go take a walk. Tell mommy later.
What's up? Bye-bye. I love you. Love you, mama.
Go take a walk.
Yeah, they're scared of fish.
Give me some water. Give some water. Some water like it. I do a fasting this morning. No, but I do the long course to cook it. I can't bother time to cook the oats. I do a ready mix.
I'll just have a bag of oats and we are drink up people make sense.
It's natural.
Okay, I'm going to talk to you.
Talk.
So you're happy this morning?
No, it's up in a good mood.
Every day I get up and drink the secret oats.
The good. I just go breathe, you know.
Ah, but I know I'm not breed. I need a baby now.
Yeah, but you
That me
know.
a talk about.
I work at this year. This time I go up on the road now, we go buy one pack of raw peanut and eat it up. So I like a blend it.
Like it I go walk.
You go walk. You go walk.
I full time for me get one baby now.
Maybe.
Somebody tearing up under in there.
Alright.
When they gonna walk and me want to do the night, then mean somebody can keep me tired. I'm not bored.
Just order what you want, man. You want girl or boy? What you want? Girl or boy? You want a girl to play in her ear?
What do you mind me get it done one time?
Alright. This is what I go do this morning. Because you know so coming on boy, nothing no tight. That's what I tell me, you know. So no boy, nothing no tight. All of the nutrients, right? Because live, active. All of this here, I go get you the baby.
Want to see that?
We have a different link though. I have something on my sleeve, man. We do a different investigation. So, a 3 stone, I use and kill the bird. Yeah? 3 stone, I will kill the bird for you. Watch and see. 3 stone.
So we can have to drink something for you getting pregnant. You can just get pregnant.
No, because you see, through you is not a normal person. You're a whale. You know? You're a whale. You're a killer whale. So I think your body a killer. I kill everything you put in there. Your body a kill it. So me have to go get somewhere swift.
I just see you're just not strong enough for that.
No, we not
You're
let
just
you.
not strong enough. You never ask if you lift me up. I don't like people lift me up. I don't like height. Excuse you. Look at me like height.
So my time, you know, and I really the man problem, and so my time one problem. You
You
know,
know it's not my problem because they don't make it on.
because you get 20 pitney already, that's true. And that's what you try to tell me. You never chicken or child yet.
But probably if you get 20 bit.
Me say you never get none yet, so it can be you the problem. I get a youth already.
Problem. Me check out myself. Did you check out yourself?
We get pitney already, so I don't know.
You get picked away. When the how many know what that picked there?
Yeah, no me have pitney man to go be.
How the hell?
You just know my name. Big. Just
But
like
then
me.
your name enough for you eat.
Well, that have between the mother and somebody else.
I know for you eat. You can't get a pick me and name. You feel your name for call yours. It's not in
No.
your name. It cannot be yours.
I'm the man of many people not in my name.
You love jacket.
Mm-mm.
I see you love jacket. You want the waistcoat and tie to wear too?
Not tell them. Mm. You want a touch of something different? You want a touch of something? Give me a touch of this. This is going to make it sweet. When you're born, go born sweet. Come and put sugar in it. When it's a picnic, come out in sweet. You see that picnic sweet like a sugar. So one girl, go look like sweet. Or one boy, she go look like sweet.
She.
She-R-E.
You say for one boy, she go look like sweet.
No, it's for one boy.
I'm gonna be gangster.
No, I'm gonna be gangster
Yeah.
and cute. The girl them go love him kind go sweet. The girl is same way. She go love herself. Cause she go sweet.
So man not gonna love him.
No man no fi blow all over her. Until she be take her
Quick you say if a boy girl ain't gonna love
No
him.
man, when she big enough and she married and settle down, she alright. Do what she do with her husband and get her picking them, but me no
That's all
want.
I call that they father the way. Daughter can't have no man till he married.
I'm going to be man when he's big enough and after I said him go to college and everything, then taking education, the thing you want to do afterwards. But I don't want him run up and down. I try con man and something. Now I try putting some work and she have money. She not have to con no man to get no money. She want more, she have her own money. You understand? That is it. So I work hard for that. Like how I work hard for her and now watch ya. Watch for your star out in your star out it. And in your so in there, you know. In your so you put it in there. Put them back and we can get it.
Anyway, me I go up on the road and come back here. Me I go take care of some business. More so not charge you, so me say me can get something for that.
Alright. Check out yourself. Tell if it's no bushman, tell them say wow. I don't know if a duppy gun then call it.
Duppy gun.
Duppy
We know
gun.
that. We've been there and done that already. We don't need that anymore.
Alright.
Are you auntie right now?
So bright. So bright and face, you have something for you. Yeah man, I mean the plumber. Well, lay the pipe then right. And me not work a day not night. Yeah man. What go on? Yeah man. Yeah. Me just have everything them gear now. The juice ready? Alright. Me just a drink some oats porridge and then me come check your feet. Alright? Put it in the fridge and make it cool. Alright? Cause cucumber juice with what's the night again? Ginger. Alright, this one forward. You know you shall put night, so nothing egg. And piece of garlic. And you shall put the next man you know. Cinco Bible. And you shall put tuna. yo, me I come, me I forward.
I don't know truth is we can't prove it. You know, so you can't listen to yourself, I will get you in trouble. So that's how you go. Hold on 1 second, somebody just come to you. Hold on. Okay, so this is what you want to do.
Yeah man.
But make you buy them something, then some of them big, then carry a lot of juice, but they're always no good. The skinnier one is better.
And that alone is down there. But you go work?
Yeah, you go.
Alright. So,
Alright, so.
now mash up some things and then you show.
Alright.
Next year, make it 9 man.
We'll make it in the morning.
Yeah, make it 9 man.
Okay.
I'm doing now good on my yard back and all the vibes. You call it.
Alright. Shut in the top here. Here? I'm going to be here right now. I'll do something alright. So later. Alright.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing. JAMMIWOOD Studios. Love is real. That take me heart out of my chest and give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue. Never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm saying love is true. Love is true. You have me thinking about you. thinking of. Oh, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I'll die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me? Got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let 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 love be free.
And then we start the ball and roll. Alright. Okay, first we wash it off. Alright.
Wash off it. No, put it in the water now. Put it in the water. Make it come out your water. Alright.
Charge. Bunny down. Yeah man, it me done man, and I put in the fridge so you can go and keep cool till you come get it. So you can forward now. Alright, you can, yeah man, you can come now, alright? No, them the thing can't go in night man, I just a ginger it need. You need all them whole for something, man. Too much spice. Cause I don't really the spice you need, and the flavor you look for, you look for the strength tight for do what you have to do. This is the girl want baby, right? Alright, so you can forward now. Come now, you done. Okay.
Mama John!
Oi!
What's up, one?
You're not ready for you, man. You're cool. You come on. Where you there?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See, come on. There, I'll put on the filter to go and keep cool, but you know, say you'll come right away.
Alright.
Take you.
What now is it?
Drink it 3 times a day, man.
3 times a day. Where's that girl at? I take time and drink it
Take
then.
time, you're sick. You're not taking a big old bowl, you're sick. Don't walk.
That's it, chicken there.
Yeah, man. Don't walk. Don't walk. And any time that little food starts to go, you make me hot.
Ginger strong, man.
Ginger good, man. Any infection or anything.
They try to drink some more.
Yes, you did it. When I take a big one pot, I'll breathe a big one.
Yeah, man.
Just sip. So you can last it.
Alright.
So
Thank you.
So everything good?
You go know. You go know. You go know.
Alright. That's how it goes.
Alright.
Hold it down. Hold it down.
Hey.
Yeah, smell like Friday, so you get paid?
No.
Are you in the lotto?
No money. No. Never. Good. Guess what?
No, tell me.
Guess
what.
not.
I'm not good for guessing, you know. Tell like a Come on, if I say me sleep, sleep.
You are going to have one baby.
Who got a baby? What's the man? The cat baby?
You don't mean that way that I'm pregnant, that we mean.
Hello, you pregnant too?
Yes.
That's what call me.
Call who?
Yeah.
Nobody with the announcing thing.
No, I know it's
Just
announced. No, the series why you're pregnant. And the cucumber juice, I them. Then give me.
Lady, I get cucumber juice and I don't know about that.
No, let them, when they work for. Them and she. Come tell her, say you want to get pregnant and you have a...
So you kept a business guy road?
No, you have a tall wall, so she does really sitting there. Burn it down. Wagwan, guess what? It work, you know? No, backland. Don't do no more. Don't do no more. That good enough. Right now, one pitney is good enough to start off. I'm link you, alright, enough respect. Alright. Yeah, one name, if a girl name, we give name after you. Alright.
No.
We tell her.
So you can't do that.
So, what then say, where go to now? Wait, what you
Me
know?
just find out.
What you do?
Because me have me take a test.
And the test show that.
Yeah, me take more than
So
one.
you have to start got clinic now.
Yeah, but not time to start that thing.
No, it's still go ask them.
Yeah, me I do want to check up now.
You go check up and ask them. Money up in the top jar, they go and go do it because I want to sleep now. I just sleep so. I'm going to cook and all too. Alright, I'm going to deal with the work times. Money down.
Oh, man.
Oh, you have me up on black, you know. What am I having there?
Alright, later, me I go. In an envelope with money the way I always... Oh, me fine, never mind.
Yeah, man, just take where you want to do and do your check-up and stuff.
Yeah.
When they come back there, get up on the road to make some soup.
I want to drink soup.
Make a drink.
Okay,
And
but
you
I
can
like
drink
soup.
something.
I like soup, I know that.
They're going to call for natural things, so get some things to yourself though.
Aye.
Tired. Yes, it's a brand new year, and we're here, 2024. Yeah, man. So this a year and now we have to go find a way to ensure that we do the best we can. You know what I mean? Because I know, like, so we have a long length of time to do everything we are do. We are try make this movie thing possible in a short piece of time. Cause then the movie business in a real life. So we have fight to get into it. You know what I mean? So all you help the fight is by donating so we can reach to the goals them that we set. So every year we try to set a goal to go towards. So this year we are coming now is business. We are trying to start a business so it can help in time to come to purchase a piece of land, because JAMMIWOOD want a piece of land to build the official studio. So this is the first mini studio, just to give you an experience and a taste of what a studio is. It's a little one, you know what I mean? So we start from little to go big. So I look forward to some real donation, you know what I mean? Because we fight for the right nation. We fight for build up everything, you know what I mean? People watch and talk, but plenty of them don't come through. So big up to the people who are come through. A brethren come over there and saying go donate, and him keep him promise. But him donate, and the donation go towards the things that we are do. And next lady call from last year, she a donate, you know what I mean? And she's more than a donator. People who donate is more than a donator because the development of what we're doing. So we call them family. You know what I mean? They're a part of the family, you know what I mean? Part of the JAMMIWOOD family. And we are pushed forward. You know what I mean? Big up to Damien same way. Damien give me a link with there, burn it down to the ground. Because them under foundation. You know what I mean? Empress G. You know what I mean? It's a new year. So we will fight war. Big up to a whole name that I cannot call because they don't want the name to call. So, but I say big one up still. Uno know so I want me attack. Well, I want to help the thing the party there, and keep on supporting the movement. Cool Breeze, big up on yourself. I'm soon up on my TikTok. I give me a strong support, bless myself, hope everything's okay. One love all the time, man. Give thanks, you know, for the support at all times. You know what I mean? Take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? Big up to Tats and Franco, big up on yourself same way. You know what I mean? Jules, you know what I mean? Long time we no chat, walk one. You know what I mean? Bunny down to the ground. Yeah man, Annette. Big up yourself, bunny down to the ground, you know what I mean? Miss Williams, big up yourself, bunny down. All the people out there to big up on yourself. The whole supporting team who are watching movie, who are donate, who are spread it, to everybody, every kids, every big somebody, everybody in the world. Big up on yourself, you know what I mean? Because you know, help the mission go forward. So who can do it, do it. So what you can do, just do what you can do. Because what you do, that it take. So just do the right thing, you know what I mean? No regret. We just a push forward. You know what I mean? So that year I look out for more things while I'm meeting, so we're gonna try see what we can do. Better quality movie and more movie. We always look for actresses. Plenty of time. Papa have a problem now, we must say I try to get the people them and the older folks and then get them now and turn up. You know what I mean? So when you need to turn up, make sure you can go on. You know what I mean? So still I look for Jamaica top female actress because it's out there. Believing in yourself. Come in, put in some work, you never can tell. So we got some new people this year. You know what I mean? We have some new people and we can encourage them who are going good, tell them something go and go do now, go and go tell them to improve because that's how we're gonna grow it. And we not stop. You know what I mean? We are try carry party must go. You know what I mean? It's a fight from that time till now and we still been fighting, you know what I mean? So we invite more people to the family. We're gonna come in, you know what I mean? With us the 80,000 subscribers, we need for the 100 and add. So let's see what we can do. Tell a family, tell a friend. Up on the campaign and now. This is a year where we must can go. We must can get 20,000 in 1 year. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm going to go over to TikTok now. We'll try to jack some people from TikTok come over then. If that's the case, you know what I mean? Because people need to know so we're there. So tell a friend, and if they're workplace, show your friend them it, show your family them it. Because so most of their party they're ready because of that. And it never stop, and we never go stop putting the work, you know what I mean? So we need some more new people on it now, you know what I mean? Expand it, we want to go 100,000K, you know what I mean? Let's go. JAMMIWOOD family, listen man, let's go man, we can do it. You know what I mean? You have Nollywood for Africa, you have Bollywood for India, you have Hollywood for America, now you have JAMMIWOOD for Jamaica. System are giving a fight still, but we still have to stand up and try to fight the system because the system wrong. You know what I mean? System wrong. And who in a high places in authority, we don't need to reach out to the people who are the good in our country. If you want the country to be good, you reach out to who are the good and make them continue. Not only movie platform we are talking about. We are talking about any platform. Where you see somebody are the good, we don't need to reach out. We need to form a good team. Just like how we have the police and look for bad man. You need to have good people. You have a team of people who look for good man. So we encourage good. Every time we now look for bad man, the place get badder. Check it. So my time we can't badder. But look what I talk about now. Every time we now look for bad man. When you take up on nothing and right up and look for the people who are the good. There's a lot of good things doing around here. And we don't strengthen it. So now wake up. You know what I mean? The place needs to shake up. Look for the good people who are the good to encourage them, man. And just say there, man, right now. Yeah man. So that is it, man. Glory be to the Most High. Burn it down to the ground. Be a fire. Burn it down. You know what I mean? Big up it. Big up, big up, big up.